Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Beanie in America. If you are new here to my channel, thank you for joining us. For my returning subscribers, thank you all for coming. In this video, I'll be showing you guys one of the remedy I've been taking for about a week now, and this work amazing. Like, it's really crazy how this work. So this is all about belly fat journey. This cup of magic, like I usually call it, is amazing, guys. This is cinnamon tea. I take this now every morning when I wake up. Before I eat, I just boil it and eat it. In a minute, I will show you guys how I actually make this tea. But before then, let me tell you a few things about this amazing cup of magic. Help you reduce stubborn belly fat using this natural remedy, and it help you lose weight great. And so what I do when I finish taking this tea, I just lay down flat and massage my tummy. Help you with your digestive system and so many things. So again, if you are pregnant, I think you should skip this tea. But if you are not pregnant and you are looking forward to your weight loss journey and something that will help you reduce fat, belly fat and whatnot, I think you should try this out. And before you try it out, please research it. You understand? Because sometimes what works for me may not work for you. All right, so that is this for now. And I'm leaving some details there in my description below. You check it out, and then also do your research before you drink this. All right, so let me show you guys how I make this pot of magic or cup of magic. Turning on the stove, I put it low. So the next, I'm going to be adding water to the pot. So I use this cup because this is the cup that I will be using in drinking my tea. So I'm going to be adding 2 cups of water to the pot. So it's time to add the cinnamon to my boiling water. And before then, I just want to let you guys know that this tea is really good for in the morning before you eat anything. That is how you drink it, so that it will be more effective. So now I'm going to be adding 5 sticks of cinnamon. Leave it to boil for about 10 minutes to get that browning water or browning tea. So I will let you guys know when it comes to that point. So how exactly does this work? It's been used for centuries to burn your fat, to help you reduce belly fat and bloating and digestive system, so many things. And I've been taking it now for a few days or a week. The result is amazing, guys. So I decided to show it here. So if there's anyone interested, you should try it out. It's really good. This drink burn up your belly fat naturally, speed up your metabolism, and detox your body. It also helps you to reduce stomach fats, help you regulate your blood sugar, and for so many purposes, this is amazing drinks for you trying to lose weight or belly fat. By taking it, you can even feel it in your tongue. You can feel that something is clearing your tongue. I don't know how to explain that, but when you try it, just let me know. I will be uploading video today. You will see my tummy in that video, and then if you are interested for me to show you the my weight loss journey or my belly fat journey, I will be happy to do that for you. But if you watch my video today that I'm going to be posting, you'll see what I'm talking about. So guys, my tea is almost ready. I can't wait. And go on and on and on. Before I start using this cinema, I heard so many amazing things about it, and I keep researching for cinema before I start. But I've seen people talking, giving testimony about this pot of goodness. So I decided to try it, guys. This is how it looks like. I already cook it, you see. And cinnamon is making my whole house smelling good right now. So I want to transfer it to cup, my mug. So I like to take it when it's still warm, so that heat will also help me to do the job. So I want to cut the lemon. I use 1 full lemon. You can use half, but you know me, I want it now. I want the results right now. If you look at my honey, you know that this is where my honey is right now. So this hole, you can see is big, it's gone. We used to know I've been doing this for a long time now. You can add 1 spoon of honey, guys. Alright? I don't even know if this one is up to 1 spoon, but it doesn't really matter. It smells good and it adds amazing. It's magic, guys. This is my magic mug right now. Let me try this. It's still hot. I'll leave it a little bit to cool. Guys, I will still hot, guys. Well, I like it like this. You know, I like to drink it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share to your friend, and thank you for supporting me. See you on my next video.